To start this course, Web 111, I do want to make the following, well, it's a video, so like a notice here. So first and foremost, there is no successful way to complete this course if you are using a Chromebook. I understand they're inexpensive. I understand they get you out of a lot of like academic cost, and I am here for that. What I will tell you is there is no Adobe Creative Cloud versions of Animate that we can use for this particular class. So that means if you are on a Mac, you're okay. If you're on a PC, you're okay. If you're on a tablet or your phone, you're still out of luck. Please, 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 if you need a computer to complete this class, be aware of the following. Number one, please contact me. We can hook you up with a Windows PC from Eagle support, although it's being transitioned to IT support through Rock Valley College, so that you can complete the course. There is a rental fee that is associated with that. I believe you can ask to have it waived, actually. And then you have a mostly capable machine that's going to help you be able to complete the course. Also be aware that on campus in WTC, so our main building for computer science downstairs in the Mac lab, so if you go into the general lab area towards the very back of that, that is WTC 1114 or 1112, I forget. But that Mac lab has machines that you can sign in with your student ID, and then you get to use a copy of the Adobe Creative Cloud right there. I know that sometimes the Adobe Creative Cloud applications, and therefore by extension Adobe Animate, the one that we will be using, oftentimes don't work particularly well on older machines. That is an issue, and it's something that you can alleviate by using the machines here on campus. I am not on campus presently, but they're on campus. So that's a word on the hardware requirements. Next is a word on the software requirements. You are going to need to have a subscription. Just hold on, to the Adobe Creative Cloud. Number one, do not pay full price for the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. You really only need the $20 version with the link that I have in the Session 1 module that you can get. This course runs for 1 month, which means that for access to the Adobe Creative Cloud, which really for us is just going to be Animate, that means that you have $20 as your investment there. One quick note here about pacing. The way I have this set up and the way I understand student finances is sometimes you do not have a lot of finances. That goes for instructor finances as well. So what I try to do is be as flexible with the cost as I can be. To that end, this course has all of its materials published for the work that you would need to do in Animate through the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. So that means if you can go through and in 1 week, the free 1 week trial, if you can go through in 1 week and complete all of the book material, I'm okay with that. Go ahead, hand those in, get them done in 1 week. You're paid up as far as I'm concerned. As far as the work for that, there are, excuse me, there are quizzes that are located in Eagle that you can always take at the same time. You could also always just come back and take those later. So if you find yourself in a place where it makes sense for you, either financially or it makes sense for you time-wise, to go through and complete all of the material like ASAFP inside of the 1 week Adobe trial period, go for it. Just send me a message and let me know you're doing it, and you have my blessing. I just want to help monitor you at that time. So that is perfectly okay with me. So two things. One, you will need a Mac, you will need a PC. You cannot do this on a Chromebook. If you have an issue, if you have a need for a rental laptop, reach out. I'll send you the link and we can get you that inside of a day. It is no problem at all. For number two, you do need the software subscription, a student version. Please, very important, very expensive difference. The student version of the Adobe Creative Cloud Access for Adobe Animate, it's $20 a month. Or you can try to do everything inside of the 1 week trial period. It's a hell of a sprint, but it's entirely possible.